Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bread soft. Start by measuring flour and water precisely and use warm water to wake the yeast. Be gentle with kneading to develop gluten without overworking. I'll explain hydration, flour choice, and simple enrichments like milk and fat to keep crumb tender. Follow pacing tips for proofing and learn storage tricks to preserve softness for days. Enrichments make a big difference, and I'll walk you through practical additions. Use butter, oil, or milk to tenderize the crumb and add lasting moisture. A single egg can improve structure and softness, while a touch of sugar or honey feeds yeast and retains moisture. I'll show exact proportions and how to balance enrichments so your loaves stay soft without becoming heavy. Technique and timing are your allies, and I'll guide you step by step. Knead until the dough is smooth and slightly elastic, then allow a first rise in a warm, draft-free place. Shape gently and give a second proof so the dough relaxes and creates an open, tender crumb. I'll share signs to look for and quick fixes if your dough under or overproofs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.